Okay, the last thing we're going to talk about for Google Classroom is the Grades tab. So within your class, you come onto the Grades tab, you'll see this is where you'll be able to see for all your students, all your assignments, all your quizzes that you've given them that you've taken a grade for will appear here. It allows you to sort, gives you a class average. Um, if this wasn't already turned back, you would be able to click these three buttons and do return all. So that way you wouldn't have to do each individual for that as well. But there's one thing we need to look at in setting up our grade book. And if you come over here to the gear, it's going to bring you to the settings. Again, you can make the changes here anytime. Here, the Guardian, we kind of talked about that earlier, but this is where you would turn on the Guardian summaries, and it tells you that your guardians will receive a summary of their students' work and class announcements. And again, this is just an example of what a guardian would see. Is this right here? This is how that would look and the things that they would see. It's just a reminder about setting that up and communicating with the guardians. Let's say sure add the class. This is also a place where you can get your Google Meet link for your class. You can turn this on so it's visible to your students, or you could just share the link yourself. But where we need to look at is the grading. So the overall grade, you can select just total points for overall grade, or you can have it weighted by category. That is totally up to you, however you want to do that. If you do total points, you can show overall grade to the students. You just simply turn that on. If you're going to do grade categories, you just simply add grade category and then begin creating the category and the default points for that part of it right there. And you can add multiple categories. Once you made those changes, then you'll want to click the save button, save those changes, and that will be done for you. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.